Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. In this quick 3-minute or less video as I get ready to go to work. Well, we have some breaking news with BlockFi. As predicted by old Vincenzo 3 to 4 weeks ago, they did in fact file bankruptcy. And I believe I mentioned them about 4 or 5 months back in the summertime when the Celsius and the 3 Arrows Capital went bankrupt and they were mentioned in it. I told you they were going to go bankrupt, and a lot of these sites were going to bankrupt out, and especially in that one. And any of these sites that you start hearing any kind of fishy news with, you got to get out of them, right? And any of the fishy ones already, you got to get out. But you can see we're still sitting on this consolidation at the bottom part of this blue trading zone, so the 16,555.99, major underneath support. This swing double low just below that at 15,458 and 8 cents, you would have to hold on any kind of retest to the downside, or you would have a big fall all the way down to your 13,336 target and pretty close to the top part of the orange trading zone where there's buyers. Right now also, though, you notice the moving averages have constricted. You can see how wide they were and not how close they're getting to each other right there. That means there's going to be a big move to the upside or a big move to the downside as the volume's getting ready to have a local spike like that back there. And if we fly up to the upside, 19,201.85 is your upside target. If we blow to the downside, you're looking to come to the $13,336 before consolidation in the Bitcoin price. And if we look at the XRP price, it's similar. You can see we had a nice rally the other day after we finally stabilized above the 200 or above the 200 day and also above the critical 37 cents right here. And you can see right there where we stabilized on top of the 200 day. The short-term moving averages crossed the long-term moving averages, which is short-term bullish, and we had a nice price move, but the volume really didn't come up. Came up a little bit, but not crazy. And now the price sold back off. And look right where it came back and retested, the 37 cents, right? And now we've had a little bit of a push since then, but the volume's leveled off now. That's telling me that this is probably coming back for one more test. And then if it doesn't hold it, it's coming back down here to the 32 cents, which is a major double bottom from back here. See that right there, right? But if we can hold this and continue to the upside, just like Bitcoin's at 19,000 and change, you could come up here to the elusive 50 cents after the great early November flush that really scared the markets right back here and had catastrophic consequences. And then as we were mentioning, you can see then the breaking news this morning that we were talking about, crypto firm BlockFi files for bankruptcy as FTL fallout spreads. As predicted by Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing via CNBC, the Wall Street Journal, BlockFi files for bankruptcy as latest crypto casualty, Yahoo Finance, BlockFi files for bankruptcy. So they're all getting on board to what Vincenzo already knew a few weeks ago. It wasn't conjecture or speculation. It was fact. And they have now officially filed bankruptcy in another exchange with all that money, billions and hundreds of millions of dollars going by the wayside. And if you had money in there, unfortunately, it is gone, right? And Ethereum right here, you can see we have $1,089.95 as major double bottom lower support. We're starting to get a little bit of a bounce here. You have $1,288.77 as major upper resistance and a major lower support on this green ring if you broke this bottom right here. And then Cardano, we have a nice little double bottom there. The moving averages have constricted. You can see how far away they were back there. And on a pump to the upside, you're looking at an upside potential in Ethereum or in Cardano of 43 cents. On a rejection, you're looking here at your first major support of 26 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Stay safe from the landmines and the BlockFis and the 3 Arrow Capitals and the Celsiuses of the world. Peace and love to profitable trading.